Singapore, a country located in Asia, specifically in Southeast Asia, is a small super-rich country. The country, which has an area of 734.2 square kilometers, is located in a strategic geographical position. It is located between the Malacca Strait and the South China Sea, making it often harbored by many ships going east or west. Border with Malaysia and Indonesia add to this country's advantage. This country is also proficient in the aviation sector because there are many airplanes who come from several countries transit at Changi Airport, one of the busiest airports in the world, to continue their journey to the next country. Livelihood in this country depends on the trade and service industry sector. Land in this country is quite limited for the agricultural sector. Even so, Singapore's GDP is quite large, $466.8 billion in 2022, beating several neighboring countries such as the Philippines, Malaysia, Vietnam, etc. Singapore, as a former British colony, was involved in both World Wars. During World War I, Singapore, as an important military post in Southeast Asia, played a logistical role in supporting the British war effort. However, direct combat did not occur in Singapore during World War I. In World War II, Singapore played a much more significant role. In February 1942, Singapore fell to the Japanese in what is known as the Battle of Singapore. This ended the British colonial era in Singapore and led to a difficult period of Japanese occupation for the local population. After Japan was bombarded with atomic bombs in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan had to surrender. The war finally ended. Singapore again became part of the United Kingdom until its independence. In 1959, Singapore gained full autonomy in its internal government from the United Kingdom. However, in 1963, Singapore joined the Malaysian Federation. This relationship did not last long due to increasing political and racial tension between the Chinese ethnic group in Singapore and the Malay in peninsular Malaysia. As a result, Singapore chose to separate from Malaysia on 9 August 1965 and become an independent country. Since its independence, Singapore has experienced rapid economic growth. With a strong focus on economic development, the Singapore government introduced various pro-business and investment policy and building modern infrastructure. This makes Singapore one of the leading financial and trade centers in the world. Thank you for listening to this content. If you like it, please like and subscribe. If there's any mistake or shortcoming, you can share in the comment section below.
Thank you. Terima kasih. Xie xie. Nanri.